So Helena, what happened?
So our printer ran out of filament, and these mismatches came out.
So you were printing lots and lots of creepers, more for your friends at school because you showed them the one you did for John's chess set, and they wanted them.
Yeah, badly. So I made some yesterday, and then in the middle of today's printing session, it just ran out on me.
You've used all the filament.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to have to re-spool it so we've got enough filament for you to use.
Yeah.
Okay,
and
that's going to take a while.
I'm thinking of turning these into little brooches for my friends, because no waste on this planet, because this is plastic.
Cool.
Pure plastic.
Okay, let's go fix the filament. Okay, so I ran out of filament on my printer, and it's got this tiny little cartridge.
Actually, I did.
Yeah, Helena used it all, making green creepers, Minecraft creepers. But I've also got this great big reel of filament, which is kilograms of the stuff, and it won't fit in the printer. So I'm re-spooling it onto this. I was doing it by hand again. That is a bore. But I have a power drill. So I went, well, how can I adapt this to work with rolling the filament? What I did, I took a Lego axle, a Lego wheel on one side. I've also taken another Lego axle. I've stuck in a gear as a bushing. I can't see any other bushes, but I can't let go of this because I'm going to lose the tension on it. A beam so I can hold that. And then I feed this into the power tool. And yes, I am mixing Lego and power tools, which might be slightly interesting. I can put that in here and start spooling. So here we go.
Go!
Oh, now hold on, that's not supposed to move. I'm using a microphone stand to hold the thing on. If I put it just over there, let's see.
Can I move around? Just a bit.
Yep, you go slower, faster.
See how fast that goes.
Certainly faster than your meat could go. My finger's getting a bit toasty on this end. I'm not at full speed yet.
OMG, Dad. You're crazy. You're a madman. No, you seriously are a madman.
Full speed! Okay,
I'm actually
that's getting
shaking.
quite warm. I'm probably abusing both the Lego and the filament here, but that is working a treat.
OMG, that's just weird. And that's cool.
I'm only slowing down when I'm feeling the contact going. Okay, wait a minute. I'm getting friction. Oh, look at that. Do you see that tension go? Wait, look. I'm getting black shavings from there, and my finger's quite toasty. Okay, stop the video for a second. So I've stuck another gear on just so, because this bit here, this beam was rubbing on there, and there was black shavings coming from the poor Lego tyre that's being used for this. And these are lovely bloom tyres. Okay, I'm going to have to take up slack here. That thing carried on spinning when I stopped because I didn't slow down. I stopped when I felt friction. But that's all right, taking up the slack. Oop. Right, and that's also swung round, which is interesting. So that's probably when the momentum changed. Okay, let's go.
This is actually quite cool.
Quite nice if I kind of rev it up and accelerate, it works better than going straight in at any speed. Oops.
Oopsie daisies.
Now it is only lined up by the pressure of these wheels. There we go.
OMG, look at how quick that is. That's crazy. That is crazy. Look at how quickly that... Oh my gosh, that's nearly filled it.
That would have taken hours by hand. There's no way you could go that speed by hand.
No. There really isn't. Let's call that a filled roll, should we?
Oh, and I forgot to let off a little bit there. Hold on then, let's just take up the slack.
There we go.
Right. Now we've got the other delicate operation. Okay, Helena.
Yes?
I'm going to need you to stop filming, I'm afraid.
Goodbye.
Before you do, I'm going to tell you one thing. I'm going to cut here. You need to hold that end. I'm going to hold this end. Don't let go.
Okay.
Unless it's a fire.